So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to generate a balance sheet in Xero. Firstly, log into your Xero account and navigate to the top menu bar. Click on Accounting and select Reports from the drop-down options. Scroll to the Financial Statements section and click on Balance Sheet. Select your specific reporting date and click Compare if you want to analyze past months. Review your automatically calculated assets, liabilities, and retained earnings on the screen, then click the Export button at the bottom to download your report as a PDF, Excel, or Google Sheets file. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this, and drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next, and I will see you on the next video.